Do you want to know how you can make or create a playlist on Spotify? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a playlist on Spotify. Let's go ahead and start the video now. Open Spotify on your PC and click on Create Playlist or folder which is over here. Then click on Create a new playlist. Tap on this name. Now you can go ahead and pick the name of your playlist. Now go ahead and click on this box over here and you can add optional description for your playlist as well. If you want to choose a photo for your playlist, click on Choose Photo and select a photo for yourself. After you select a photo, click on Save. In a while, your playlist will be created. And then you can start searching for songs and albums and keep on your playlist and share it with your friends. Now to add songs or episodes, you can tap on a song's name or you can search for a song's name. You can see the add button over here. Go ahead and tap on it and it will be added to your playlist. You can also invite collaborators to your playlist as well. And you can download your whole playlist as well. So guys, this is how you make a playlist on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.